Hi, chat. Welcome to another stream. Uh, with your favorite too much hair programmer. It is Friday, January 22nd of 2021, and today I want to work on pre-commit. I have a few pull requests to merge, and what else? I have a couple of fixes that I want to work on. So we'll do that. Hopefully it'll go well. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. It's a little bit quiet in chat today. I don't know what's going on. But hello, I Satisfied, who was first today. Halt and Catch, good to see you again. Welcome back. We've also got Rollers. As always, good to see you. Hello, hello. We've also got Dom DF Coding. Hello as well. And JD Miss Wild. Welcome, welcome. Good to see you all. Let's see. I'm a little tired today. I still feel like I'm getting sick. But hopefully we'll be able to make it through a stream today. It's mostly just been nasally congestion and such. But yeah. So let's get started with what I want to work on today. The first things are a few pull requests. Actually, let me see if I've done anything offline since last time. I don't think so. I've been pretty busy on not in a way not doing open source stuff while offline, but yeah. Hey, what's up? Sakanasol. I probably said that wrong, but thank you. Well, welcome to the stream. I don't know why I said thank you. Thank you. I just immediately jumped to my the blurb that I say when people follow. My bad. Anyway, welcome. Good to see you. You're welcome. Yeah. Perfect. But yeah, I haven't done anything since offline. Oh, you followed. Perfect. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow. Hopefully you're doing well. Oh my. Okay, so the first is this pull request here, which adds a bunch of audio file extensions. They still didn't do what I asked for. Motherfucker. Well, I guess I will have to fix whatever they've done here. So I explicitly told them, I was like, hey, can you name each of the extensions? Like so. And then they didn't. So we are going to do that. It should be pretty straightforward, I guess. I guess I'll have to follow now flawless strategy on your part. Yes. What are we doing? So I'm working on a tool that I wrote called pre-commit. If you want to learn more about pre-commit, I haven't made a video on it yet. I've been meaning to do it, but I still haven't gotten around to it. But yeah, the idea behind pre-commit, the idea behind pre-commit is you set up a configuration file that lists a bunch of tools and the versions that you want to install. These tools can be linters, code formatters, etc. They can really be anything. The most common use cases for linters and code formatters. Hey, what's up, RCM? Hello. Yeah, so the most common use case is code formatters and linters, and it can integrate with Git hooks if you want it to. It doesn't need to be, but that was the original idea. But this tool knows how to install all of those other tools in user space, so you don't have to manage a bunch of installations on your computer, and it will run those tools against the files in your Git repository and auto-fix stuff if needed. But yeah, that's pre-commit. It's my baby. But we're working on a few small improvements to it today. Genius Wise says, that feeling when you add publish to PyPI on release GitHub action, only for it to fail even though you bump the version and the release creates the tag. Oh no! Oh no! That's the worst. Hey, Genius Wise, thank you for the resub with Prime for 5 months. Appreciate your continued support. Yeah, that's a bummer. This is why I just do manual releases for PyPI stuff. I find that the GitHub Action stuff is so fiddly that it's easier for me to just do it manually myself every time. Oh, the notifications are gonna be quiet. Let me fix that. Are the notifications quiet, chat? Volume mixer. I think the notifications might be quiet. Fix. Oops. Shit. No, it's one too high. Oh my god, I hate the Windows volume mixer. It's so bad. 19. fucking whatever. Just gonna assume that that's. Wait, why is it 18 now? Oh my god, I have no idea. I've just messed up my volume mixer forever. Hey, what's up, Metal Storm? Hello, hello. James Twice says, I was just laughing the other day, remembering that joke we had about the security vulnerability giving you 0.1 BTC. The price was going well. Yeah, I sold immediately after I got the Bitcoin. But yeah, it has been doing a lot better. I sold... Well, now it looks dumb. How do I look at 2 months? I guess I have to go to 1 year. I sold... Right... here. No. Right there. December 16th. Wish I would have sold up here, but you know, that's the way things go. So the funny thing is I found another vulnerability in that same company. I'm hoping they pay out again. It seems like they're not going to. Which sucks, but I'm gonna prod them a little bit and be like, hey, this is another vulnerability. Is this eligible for bounty? We'll see what happens. Hey, what's up, Chico Codes? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Pure stonks? Yeah, it's pretty stonks. Fucking Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies are dumb. Alright, well, I guess we will rewrite this person's pull request since they did not put the proper effort in. I hate when I have to do this. Wish they would have just done this themselves. It would be so much... I mean, you want it done right, do it yourself, I guess. Identify. Get remote add this person's branch. Mondeja. Get at github.com. Mondeja/identify. Fetch their remote. Yeah. Git checkout. Wait. Why is there a SAS branch? Did they add this already? I guess so. That's what this is. Okay, cool. Oh boy. JD Spice says, any thoughts on Flask? I'm starting to do a little open source project for an HTTP mock server. I like Flask. I think it's fine. It's pretty simple to get started. There are a few things I don't like about it. Like most of the weird machinery parts of Flask are done with thread local globals, which you know, Flask.g and Flask.request make me a little more than a little bit uneasy. I wish they were more explicitly passed into the view functions, but beyond that, I think Flask is fine. It seems like a bunch of hype is building around Fast API. I haven't had a chance to try it yet. I was going to for my little vulnerability scanner application, but I didn't. I ended up just using Flask because I needed templates, and doing templates in Fast API. I started looking into how to do templates in Fast API, and it's not simple. It's not like with Flask where you're just like, oh yeah, templates just kind of work. You have to set up a whole bunch of annoying stuff, and I didn't want my first experience with a, you know, HTTP library being, oh well, I guess I have to learn all this new shit. I just wanted to, you know, get going, and Flask is really good about just getting going. What are you mocking? Just writing something to mock external services. Yes, I know 100 things exist. Massively open source, demotivated, and I have an interest in this at least. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. I pressed the mute button this time. Oh man, I'm definitely getting sick. That sucks. I'm so unhappy about that. Okay, anyway. Get branch -r, get checkout audio. Bless you. Thank you, Araya. Origin master get rebase. And we're going to pick to F, no A. So just squash these all down. So now I gotta fix all of their added extensions. Okay, so the first one is AA and AAX. It's fucking AAX files are encrypted M4Bs. I'm just gonna put the extension and go with that. And let's see. ACT audio format. A lossly. Why would anyone ever fucking use this? Most Chinese MP3 and MP4 players, I see. Huh. Anyway. I don't know why they're adding support for this file extension. This seems silly. ACT, I know AAFF. I've seen that one before. ALAC, never heard of that one. Apple's lossless format. I see. Are these actually in use? Could a file in normal conditions be an audio file without opening it? It doesn't support weird file types. Why should I support weird file types if they don't support weird file types? Corona. This seems dumb. This seems like a waste of time. But I will do it anyway, I guess. Is the creator of Flask like a core dev or something, or was he just some dude that made a command line parser, a markup, sanitization? So a bunch of different closely related projects ended up under palettes. I believe they're all originally made by Mitsuhiko. Who is Armin Rocher, something like that? Armin Ronasher. But yeah, this guy's made a whole bunch of all sorts of stuff. Not all of this is originally his authorship, but a lot of it is. He's not a core dev, but he does work. Well, he is part of the Python org. Oh, maybe he's a core dev. I don't think he is a core dev. I think he just is in this org for some PSF related project. But yeah, he works on a lot of, well, he doesn't really work on Python anymore. As far as I understand. He's mostly doing Rust stuff now. But yeah, he wrote a lot of this stuff originally. He works at Sentry now. God damn it. I satisfied says people are starting to annoy me. They're doing things they shouldn't be at work. Oh no. Hey, what's up, Beldothis? Hello, hello. Markup, not makeup. Why'd I bother typing it to him? Yeah. Halting Catch says probably start with one project and decide the others are needed for it to work. Yeah, that's kind of true. Why is he whispering? I was just grumbling under my breath at all of this useless shit. I'm gonna go blow my nose, chat. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. What's PyW and why is it an executable format on Windows? I don't remember. PyW files. Oh, it's for so there's two forms of Python on Windows. There's Python and Python W. Python W, I believe, is meant for windowed actual applications, and so PyW is a windowed application Python file. Why not let the PR submitter fix it? Only been a couple of days? Because I've already gone back and forth with them twice. And they already didn't listen to me. I mean, I guess I could have them fix it. Yeah, I'll just do that. Ideally, we'd only have extensions supported that people actually use. I don't see a need for a lot of the ones you've added here. Also, each of them should have a specific tag as well. Hey, what's up, Lonhart? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, fuck it. We'll let them fix it. Ugh. Not just audio. Otherwise, a tool written specifically for one extension cannot possibly target that extension using tags. For example, if I wrote a tool targeting just MP3 files, I would want to be able to use types MP3 that I cannot with this patch as written. Yeah, fuck it, alright. Then we won't do this one. Goodbye. Wintered app as in Tkinter or cute stuff? Yeah. Yeah. Metalstorm's got a meme for me. Oh my god. This is amazing. Oops. Oh shit, did I? No, I changed my title. My title's fine, Melky. Got me all concerned there. How you doing, Melky? Pow! But yeah, this is what I feel like right now. Ugh, I hate getting sick. The stupid thing is, like, I haven't even left my goddamn house. How am I getting sick? Michaela's here! Hello, Michaela. How you doing? Alright, cool. That one's done. Alright, we'll look at this other one. This other one I think is more close to being arguable. Okay, so this is exposing remote branch ref as a environment variable to pre-commit hooks. This was originally posted in late December. This time one of the tests is failing. Shit. Well, man, the irony when you contribute to pre-commit and you don't... Wait, why are they touching this file? What are you doing? What are you doing? Also, why didn't pre-commit CI fix this? Oh, I know why. I know exactly why. I know exactly why it didn't fix this. So it did fix this. It couldn't push because they have branch protection on their organization. And they contributed from this weird repository here, which also means I'm not going to be able to fix their patch. Which sucks. Oh my god, I hate when people do this. Which means I'm probably going to close their pull request and then commit it myself, because, ugh. Hey, what's up, Jake Carrot? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Michaela says, you don't know how often I get out of bed purely because you're streaming or will be soon. Hey, well, I mean, if that's what gets you, that's always, it's something, it's something. Do people not get status for making PR? They didn't even run the fucking hooks! The irony is absurd here. NinjaMilk.com, you need to try and get that fat sponsor. Wait, what is this? tab because I would. Ninja Milk. It's an energy drink. They got a pretty dope logo, not gonna lie. But usually energy drinks are just kind of disgusting. I like how they use like radioactive green as their accent color. Ugh. By the way, today another intern broke dead because he committed a merge conflict. There were a bunch of errors inside CSS. Hey man, there's an easy solution to this. Very, very easy solution to this. There's Git hooks that do exist that prevent this. Just gotta use them. Is that pushy T-posing? Yeah, noodles up here T-posing. Why make a pull request from an org account? I don't know. I don't know why they did that. It's it makes it really hard for me to fix it. Means I'm probably just gonna close it and remerge it. If the intern is allowed to break dev, your setup is fucked. I 100% agree with that, Cybermoney. There should definitely be, you know, gates in place to require merging with an approval and stuff like that. Our dev is open, master isn't. Hey, what's up, Tubeworm? Hello, hello. Some days there are only so many things which aren't working and my head wants to explode. Oh my god. Some days I go down those rabbit holes too where it's like, oh, this isn't working. I'll fix this little thing. And then while fixing that other thing, I'll be like, oh wait, this code looks kind of wrong. And sure enough, it's broken. I'll go and fix that thing. And oh, well, the test suite's a little buggy today. Fix the test suite and down the fucking rabbit hole I go. Okay, if all the tests are failing, something is not good. Oh no. Oh man. Golang? Wait, why? In what world is Golang example hello broken? Like, what fucking bullshit is this? Do I have to pick another hello world example? God damn. Here's another example. Like trying to fix this guy's pull request and shit's fucked. Let's try that. Hey, what's up, Rubadub TV? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Welcome back. Like that gif from Malcolm in the Middle where Hal has to fix one thing. Yeah, oh yeah, for sure, for sure. Model declares its path as golang.org/x/example, but it was required as this. Am I supposed to do this? Is Golang moving off of GitHub? Fucking hate it. Fucking stupid. It's a little world, yeah. Guess I gotta fix this one too. I'm right there with you. Usually I don't mind, but when they're all stuck and I don't have any new ideas to try, follow the white rabbit. Yeah. 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 Okay. Are they singing I'm a bunnies man and do my bunnies? Wait, no. I'm a businessman. Okay, fix Golang. Hello, example. Fix reference to github.com/golang/example. Should we make a bug report on this? Maybe. Let's see. Is it just me or is the music like incredibly quiet and or not oh, yeah, this part of the song is muted. Oh, man. I'd love me some things where, oh, look, this doesn't work anymore. Wait, why does this work? What? 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 Is this some, some environment variable? It's gotta be some environment variable, right? So if a go path is set, go path equals foo with foo. What? Um. Is it because it has a Go module file in it? No. I'm so confused. I don't know what's going on here. Breaking changes monk ass, right? Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to reproduce this now too, because what I'm seeing makes no sense. Okay, so the command that ran here was go get this. Downloading this, found that. Module declares its path, but it was required as this. It's very strange. I'm surprised how much of the env is here. Oh, well, I mean, yeah, that makes sense. That's really weird. That's really weird, unless they just, like, suddenly... Did they just revert this? Am I losing my damn mind? 9 days ago. Okay, I gotta figure out how to reproduce this first before trying to figure this out. It says, recently Dart introduced null safety, which is backwards incompatible, so literally every Flutter package is getting a major version bump, along with, on average, 4% smaller and faster runtimes. I mean, faster and smaller is good, though. RevDevTV says, hey, what's up? You know, not much. Just working on some open source today. Feeling a little bit sick. Other than that, things are going well. Every time I see someone using Naked Pip, I wonder why they don't have virtual env. Are they just not that important or what? You should always use virtual environments. If you don't use virtual environments, you're asking for pain. People that don't use virtual environments either don't know any better or just are okay with things being broken all the time. Hey, what's up, Outdated Version? Hello. Good to see you again. Yeah. Or maybe they're using PyEnv. PyEnv doesn't get you away from virtual environments. It takes a man breaking their projects to learn to use virtual envs. I mean, I guess that's kind of true. I removed installing Python from Brew and now just use the version provided by macOS. Oh, does macOS have Python 3 now? That's cool. That's cool. I was doing a CSS issue today and I was going crazy why adding or removing this class made absolutely no change to the website. After 5 minutes, I realized I'm on the deploy website, not on localhost. Oh my god. I've done that before too. Alright, so git check out master. What is going on here? What is one of the tests that failed? I'll just pick one of those tests. By test dash k this dash p to b tests. Okay, splody splode. Do I have anything special in environment here? We have this special go path for sure. That's weird or new or different. Do we have anything else related to Go? No. We have nothing special on Path either. Oh, this is weird. Why is this spaced so strange? Nothing else in here looks strange. Let's see what happens if I do this. Hey, what's up, Juicebox Hero? Hello, hello. First, JK says I'm in pip hell. I'm trying to install parallel SSH on OS X. Huh. I don't know. I've not heard of parallel SSH. Hey, what's up, Alexa? Hello, hello. Good to see you. Is it not safe to do this? Expert path equals home library Python. Python 3 dash version. Oh, you're just trying to get the particular Python. No, you could just use globs there. You don't need to subprocess. But yeah, that should be fine. I don't see a problem with that. Okay. Why does that work? Why does that work? Alright, so here is where we fail. So let's put a breakpoint there. Alright, so we run go get first. Maybe that's the difference? So if we do golang env okay, so we clone into that. Okay, so we have a go path. cd into the go path. Make dir source github.com /test. cd into that. Make a go file. Package main func main. And then I don't know. Import fimpt and then fimpt.println hello world and then place spaces with tabs and go get dot slash let's see go path equals temp z go path go get dot and then go get github.com /golang /example /hello. That works too. Fuck. Maybe this this installs toml. Maybe that's the difference. What if we do this now? And this stupid ass thing. Okay. So let's try this instead. Okay, so now let's do go get dot slash dot dot dot. Oh. With this. And then hello world. I have no fucking idea. None of this makes sense. I don't understand. I don't understand at all. This should be exactly the same. What's going on here? Mouth ASMR, did that happen? What library would you recommend for using SSH/SCP? I've had luck with Paramiko, but I don't know. Xargs. What do you got? What's your link today? Yeah, that's Score Bunny. It's Score Bunny, it's Pokemon. Tofu is freaking out right now. Why is Tofu freaking out? It's a Black Sails. Hello, hello. We are working on pre-commit, trying to figure out why this thing is broken. Ace Tilly, you're so fun. You're so fun. You blow my mind. I don't know what I'm saying. Hey, Mickey with Ace Tilly. That's kind of weird. Ace Tilly, you so silly. Yeah, there you go. Why'd you break Hello World? Right? Just give her some peanut butter. True. Hey, what's up, Jugmac? Hello, hello. Time for a break? Nah, I'm not like frustrated. I'm just confused. Nothing about this is making sense. Yeah, nothing about this is making sense. So let's see what we have here. We got a lot of shit in env. Maybe let's try this in talks, since talks has smaller env. Talks dash e py39 dash tests. Let's do that. That'll give us a smaller environment, so some less things to reproduce. Time to ask BG, he's the going. I know stuff about Go, like I just don't know what's different between the two things. Like why one is passing and one is failing. She chomped my toe and I think her canine is loose and she's freaking out about it. That's funny. I'm not mad at you, Code. I'm just disappointed. Yeah. What is your MP4? I'm concerned. Concerned about opening an MP4. Oh yeah, I've seen this. It's the box, putting the square peg round hole, but the round hole is big enough for the square peg. Okay. Alright, environment should be smaller now. Let's make sure it still fails before. Okay, it still fails, cool. But now the environment's smaller, so we can look at just the things in there. Okay, so we have some get stuff set up. Get template dir. Why are you everywhere? I wonder if that's what it is. Somehow. There's one difference so far. That would be fucking wild. That would be so wild if that's what the difference is. Okay, so let's make a shell script that sets this up. Just so that we get something that's... I don't have to keep running these RMRFs over and over. User bin and bash set -uxo pipe fail rmrf go path and template dir make dir template dir export get template dir equals quid slash template dir. Make dir dash p go path slash source. Actually, we can do get init go path slash source slash github.com slash utility slash test. I quote these for better correctness. Get init that and cp main to. Can I do this in a script? Get dash c commit dash m initial commit. Oh fuck. We'll do this the right way. Repodir equals this, get int repodir. And dot get repodir commit dash m initial commit. And then cd. We should do push d. Repodir get go get dot, and then go get github.com slash golang slash example slash hello. Alright, I think that's our script there. And it's working. That one says, hello, Anthony Code, how are you? I'm doing well. Seeing the second video with her reactions even funnier. Oh no. I'm doing well, I'm doing well. Sterling Python, still learning Python for it. Career Ante. For my IT career. I see. I finished the study of object orienting. Well, you finished the study of object oriented programming? I don't think that's possible. I think a company uses any Python framework for graphical user interfaces. What is most common and useful to learn in 2021? There's a whole bunch of different graphical user interface libraries. I'm not very good at any of them. Oops, I tried to email a no reply email address. Oh, okay, well. The two that I've seen that are the most common are either Qt, or tkinter. Tkinter is kind of garbage, but it does work-ish. I wonder if it's because it's a Git repository and a Git repository. So if we look at this directory, oh, why do we have bin package and source already? What? Why is this already set up? Oh, I'm in the wrong directory. It's like, wait a minute, what's going on here? Is it because it has a go.mod? That might be it. Yeah, I wonder if that's it. Aha! Okay, we have reproducer now. So it was much simpler than I thought. Don't need this, don't need that. Make-dir, go path, export, go path equals quid slash go path, and then I hate this. There's this dumb thing that happens inside of the GoPath cache where these things get unwritable. So you have to do chmod plus -r plus w before doing this, I think. -R. Cannot open directory, permission denied. There we go. And I don't know how to report an issue. How do I report an issue on the example project? I guess I can comment on the pull request that broke this. Oh, they didn't make a pull request. Oh my god, this sucks. This breaks the example in the README. Here's an example script. And output. That can't be console. Anyway. Anyway, that answers that. Okay, cool. Done with that. Tkinter comes with Python, the best quality. Sometimes it comes with Python. It is technically an optional part of Python. What? I just clicked on that on accident. This was broken recently when that moved to Go modules. Okay, so we fixed that one. Cute with Python is garbage too. It's as if everything that Python touches turns into garbage. Oh no. Is there any good Python GUI thingy? I don't think so. Yeah, apparently my bot still has the sub to Pokemon. What? What is this? Is this like some Pokemon emote? Is that why you're posting it? What is that? Is this Diablo? Yeah, I don't know. Path of Exile. Oh. It's Ayaya. Oh, it's Ayaya. I see. Oh, that's hilarious. That's hilarious. Oh boy. Um. I had to do it in 2 comments. I gotta do this. Wait, can you quote reply 2 comments? You can! Hey, look at that. That's cool. I'd probably keep these ones. These are the only ones I've heard of that are in your pull request currently. Okay, I'm gonna put this off screen so I can copy it. AC. Plaque. M4A. MP3. Log. WMA. It's not specifically for pre-commit, but we have to strike a balance between accepting things and not. If, for example, some obscure file type is added that also has a less obscure usage, we'd be a bit painted into a corner and making a breaking change to adjust that. As such, I think it really only makes sense to include common file types and not obscure or obsolete ones. Pre-commit is the largest consumer. Especially if you have no use for the less common ones. The MIME types library has a similar mantra in that it doesn't include some of the very obscure ones you've added here. I don't think you'd make the same assertion about it being wrong. Closing screwy, obscure, and obsolete.exe files, whatever the heck they are. Not quite, not quite. Okay, so that'll fix the go tests. So that's one part of this rabbit hole. But now we have to address the other parts of this rabbit hole. But also, we are at the 1 hour mark, so I'm gonna go fill up my water. Hey, what's up, Shaz? How's it going? Good to see you. I'm gonna go fill up my water, which should actually give these test times maybe almost finish. But I will be right back, and I will see you in a bit. Oh, that bet doesn't work. Boop. Hello. Hi, HIIIIBELDATHA. What happened? What is premium chat doing? I built out this. Even though you've been here, what's going on? Hey, what's up? Me too, Thakar. Hello, hello. Good to see you. Welcome. OMG, did you send hi to me? I feel special. Hello about all this. It is I, Liquid Cube Superhero. I understand. G-Spock Zero. Look at this leet hacker. What is the leet hacker doing? He Shaz. German TV, Kali and Windows VM goes LLAK. Hi, G-Spox Hero and Liquid Cube Superhero. Indeed, indeed. Oh, look at the pog for today. That's a good pog. I like that one. Yeah, that's pretty funny. Wait, how do they know it's Kali? It is in VirtualBox in German. I find it funny that they went through the effort to actually get Kali up only to just run gibberish in it. Like, it wouldn't have been that hard to just Google some commands. Or to full screen it. Yeah, that is pretty funny. I like that. I never get a premium chat hello, says I satisfied. Oh, sad noises. Alright. Fucking Windows. Oh, actually, this one isn't done either. Oh, yeah, it is. As soon as I click on it. Okay, well, I guess we wait for Windows tests. there's a premium chat. Hello, for you, I satisfied. Hi, satisfied. Yeah, there you go. There you go. Okay, so we can ignore that. Were there any other test failures here? No. Okay. I should be able to fix their branch now. Except that I can't push, probably, because they've forked from their repository, and I don't know why they did this dumb shit. I don't know. Okay, that looks fine, that looks fine. And that looks fine. That looks fine. Sure, this looks good. I'm gonna approve it, but I don't think I can push to the remote. Precommit slash precommit. Clumio. Clumio OSS. Clumio OSS slash precommit. What is 2711? Oh god. Regenerated that. Oh god. Oh, I don't want to know. I don't. Never mind. Nope. No longer care. They're generating egg files. Shit's bad. Shit's bad. Don't want to go there. Nope. 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 Not at all. Fix that up. It says I didn't sleep probably more than 4 hours last night. Damn, it sucks, but I'm done with class for the day. Nice! Nice. Would you rather have a private hello? That's true, it's true. Juice Bunks sliding into iSatisfied's DMs. I mean, that's what she did to me. I understand how it goes. What's up, M2Dev.net? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Pokemon or big data? Alright, you ready for me to get 100% of these right? Hummingbird, big data. Impala, big data. Vulpix, that's Pokemon. Geodude, also a Pokemon. Delibird, also a Pokemon. Azurill, Pokemon. Azkaban, this is a tricky one, but it's big data. Man, you know what would be really bad is if they did translations of Pokemon, because then I wouldn't know. Jirachi, that's a Pokemon. Ambari, not a Pokemon. Seahorse, not to be confused with Horsey. That's a data thing. Spoink, that's a Pokemon. Horsey, see, that's where they're trying to get tricky with you. This is the Pokemon. Gorbis, also a Pokemon. Tokotek, not a Pokemon. Geode. Oh, I see what they're doing here. I see what they're doing here. They're trying to make you think of Geodude, but it's not Geodude. Feebas, that's a Pokemon. Adabas, not a Pokemon. Titan, not a Pokemon. Flink. God, I worked with Flink. Fucking Flink. Fuck Flink. Not a Pokemon. Atlassian. How would you not know what Atlassian is? That's neither. Atlassian is a big company. Atlassian is big. This is fake. Atlassian has somehow duped several software companies into thinking they need Jira to be agile. This has nothing to do with big data. Pangool. This is also a tricky one. Because there is a Pokemon called Pangoro. But it's not this one, so that's big data. The Debuzium. That sounds like a Pokemon, but it's not. Akaban, not a Pokemon. Hekaton, not a Pokemon. Arvados. It's close, but it's not a Pokemon. That looks like a Pokemon. Arbok, that's a Pokemon. Hadoop. Obviously not a Pokemon. 100% correct. Yeah, get fucked for him. Anyway. Excuse me. There was no sliding. All right. We referred to it as slipping into the DMs. You showed up in my chat first? That's not true. That's also not true. You came to my stream before I came to your stream. I got Spoinkron? This isn't fair with people that actually know what they're doing. Yeah, that's true. Sandy doesn't know anything about big data, but he knows every Pokemon. I do know some stuff about big data. Jira is big data? I don't think so. The last step should have been a W3 schools redag? That would have been so unfair. There was no Geodude like I expected. We got Geodude. There was Geodude, but Anthony speedran. Yeah. Juice is checking the logs. Gonna rewrite the history there. RST direct with colons has typed text instead of RST, unlike the other two RST hooks. I think the expectation here was to match stuff inside doc strings. I'm not sure if that works or not. You can write some tests showing it's broken. We can adjust it to types RST. What is the directives :1? Mistake of RST directive not ending with a double colon. Yeah, this is very unlikely to false positive. What are the other ones? Inline code touching normal text. Yeah, this one is not applicable to other stuff, so definitely don't want that one. Looking at the other two RST hooks, they would have much higher false positive. So on other files, yeah. So let's look at the fucking history. That's gonna be the easiest way to find this. Closed. Well, interesting choice there. This one. I must have just not noticed. Yeah. That should be RST. Yeah, I think this one should be types RST as well. There's probably a false positive for this is probably rare, but definitely possible. One counter argument that I could think of is matching stuff inside Python doc strings, but in that case, I think types or RST Python would make much more sense. Looking at the other ones, the double backticks one would false positive way too much on just text. So that one shouldn't change, though I could see an argument for the other one being types or RST Python as well. Though it's probably best to just set them all to types RST. Doesn't seem to be any conversation about this, so I probably just missed while reviewing. What's the pull request? 33. CC. Who wrote this pull request? Marco. Marco probably already saw this because I think he's watching this. Watching this repository. Yeah. Cool. Oh god, the emails don't decrease, they just increase. Okay, well the other person that I said probably don't need all these extensions, they just closed their pull request instead of going through with it. The interesting renders the detective emoji different in the chat box than what appears in the text. Must be browser based. Yeah, probably operating system based, or they have slightly different fonts. Reach message 511-2020 Juicebox Hero Vahayo. Yeah, I was right. Just unmuted to pimp with multiple pockets. What's up? See, I was first. I was right. I was 100% right. Miss Jazzer, what says dunked on yourself? Yeah. Who says, in my defense, Anthony knew of me before I knew of him because Knowledge randomly told him I'd bake him cookies. That's true, but I didn't know. I didn't know that when you jumped into my chat, when you slid into my chat, I didn't know it was you know. John Grizzly says, what is the blue thing in the middle? It's a button. It's a fidget spinner. I actually don't have any of my Pokemon machines with me right now, so you will get a coaster version of it instead. But it is a fidget toy. It does some spinnies. Spins for a real long time. Looks kind of neat. I don't know. My mom got it for me as a present. But yeah, if you do bang blue thing, you can learn more about it. I'm sure someone did already. Bake me some cookies. Yeah. Right? Right. Hey, what's up, Nick HP? Hello, hello. Ah, you did get the blue thing. Perfect. Why slide? Why can't I just happily join the chat? No, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Staff slides into chat, normal people join chat. It's not a Pokemon, it's big data. Trot into your DMs. Okay, cool. So I can merge this, which means I can rebase this. Fetch all. Rebase dash origin master. Yes. And this is where we see whether their stuff cannot work. Git push. Head dash F. Okay. Seems I can't merge this because you made the pull request from a company account. This also seems to be why precommit.ci couldn't auto-fix your pull request. I'm going to close close this and then reopen another pull request and maintain your authorship there. Oh, lawn people are here. Time to start RTX voice before they get to. I don't know why they're here. It's fucking raining outside. That must be miserable. Doing lawn people stuff in the rain. Okay, so we now have RTX on. Hey, what's up, NoSTV? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Shaz says, all right, my headache is getting too intense. Gotta go. Have a good day, everyone. Well, thank you for stopping by. It's always good to see you, Shaz. Go lay down, take some drugs, feel better, etc., etc. Let's get push origin. Drugs! Yeah, make it happen. Drugs pod, yeah. Oh my god, I should have changed their commit message. We're gonna change their commit message. I'm looking for the red ones. Yeah. G says I hate it here. What's wrong? Oh no. What have I done? Okay. Originally 1743. Originally 1743. Great. Juice Funk Zero! Oh my god, it did it. TTS. So good. Look at Prickman's eye being so speedy here. So speedy. Just me, or is the music like really quiet and or like non-existent? Oh no, it's going. Headphones quiet? No? Probably because the lawn people. Probably because of the lawn people. Okay, so that looks good. I got another open source email. Add doc but using configuration file. Please add more details. Which other options are accepted? In particular, I'm interested in ignore options. For Flake8 doc strings? This thing is literally a wrapper around Flake8 and PyDoc style. It even fucking links the lists here. Okay. Oh, I already replied to this. These are the same options as Flake8 and or PyDoc style. There's no need to duplicate their docs here, as they cannot be accurate and will rot. Maybe at least mention it, because from the doc, one has no idea what one can use. What? Both of them are literally linked in the docs. Not sure what more you want. Both of them are already linked from the documentation. As well as and unless there's a link to Flake8 as well. Oleg, what do you want, friend? The links are blue. Click on them. Copy pasting pretty much the entire thing. Yeah. What's up, Chups? Hello. Good to see you again. Yeah, Drew. I don't know what to. I don't know what to tell. I don't know what to say there. Here, let me read it for you. Would you like it in video form? I could read it as a video and send it to you as well. This is gonna take like 15 minutes to run. Oh, these haven't even started yet. Well then, we will leave those alone. Oh, is this running Python 3.9? It is. I believe this is going to run. I believe this is going to run. Where's the actual pipeline stuff? I believe this is going to run the. Yeah, it's going to run the Dead Snakes Python 3.9, which is a little slow. So I should probably update that at some point. Hey, what's up, Robin? Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Okay, so let's work on the thing that I actually wanted to work on today. I mean, I wanted to work on these other things too, but let me demo you a problem. Git pull and prune. Apparently the endgame boss for Path of Exile this league is Maven. Isn't that some Apache thing? Yeah, it's a build tool. A build tool for Java. Okay. No install language options. Okay, so right now, you can make config.yaml. You can make a local repo. So if you do repo local, let's ID foo, name foo, entry, echo hi, language, system. And let's also just do verbose, true. So you can make a very, very simple hook like this. And if we add that and run frequent run all files, this works. And this works fine. Now, there are two options that you can set here that do nothing. And I've seen people try and set these for something like, let's say we did python-c print hello world instead of echo hi. So if we run that, we'll make them 3. If we run that, you'll see that we get hello world. We probably also want sys.argv1 colon as well, so it prints the file names. Semicolon, not comma. Yeah, so you might imagine something like this. And so what I've seen in a few things is like, oh, I want to control the version of Python. And so people put language version Python 3.10. I guess let's also print sys.version in here as well. So people will put language version here, even though they have selected language system, and it won't control this. And so this can confuse a bunch of people. The other thing that I've seen people do is put like import config v here, and then additional dependencies config v, and they'll expect that this won't error, but you'll notice that it's config. Oh, we should pick something that's not config v because this will run from the virtual environment that I'm in. AST pretty. Yeah, so they'll expect this to not error because they have set additional dependencies here. And the problem is they have selected language system, which does not actually build any environments, and so these options do nothing. So what I want to do is improve the error message in this case such that it indicates like, oh yeah, you're using language system. Like this shouldn't just silently fail like this. It should say, language version doesn't apply here, don't use it. Additional dependencies doesn't apply here, don't use it. And that they probably want one of the actual languages. So they want like language Python, for instance. If you do language Python, this will set up an environment for that and run and succeed. So you'll see. And now it's running with Python 3.10. We're able to import AST pretty and everything. Everything works out all hunky dory. So that's the plan. That's what I want to work on today. I've gotten a couple of bug reports on this, so I figured I would nip it in the bud and just make the tool tell them what's wrong instead of me having to explain it over and over and over. So that is the plan. Oh, the lawn people. They're so obnoxious. Okay, so let's look at where I would want to write a test for this. I think it would actually be in the run test. Because I actually need to have the configuration folded together in order to do this. What did you say about gnomes? Oh, the lawn people? Yeah, they're out there leaf blowing in the rain. That lawn must be majestic with the amount of care it gets. It's not that great, to be honest. The reason that it needs so much care, though, is there are. Maybe I don't want to talk about this, because then you would know where I live. Because I would narrow it down. Anyway, there is a significant amount of foliage that ends up on the lawn, and so it needs to be taken care of pretty often. Just to remove all of the foliage. A lot of people probably just banging someone's wife. It's kind of a bad garbage lawn. Yeah, it's not well kept at all. The grass is all dying. There's just like mushrooms everywhere, and there's just like exposed dirt on part of it. Yeah, it's not the best. Like spotty and brown enough, I can never find Tofu's poop. Yeah, that's true. Poor no. Sounds like some kind of money laundering scheme. I mean, they do actually just come by and like they do clean up the foliage, so that's something at least. But yeah, it's I don't know, not the best. Let's see if we turn up the music if it's a little bit more audible. Maybe that's better. San Mateo's big enough that we never figure out where you live. You definitely could, just from my lawn and the foliage. I'm not gonna leave that up to chance. Okay. So, where do these configs get combined? Is the first question. I think they get combined. So the problem is, this is hard to detect because this and these two settings and this setting can be overridden in two places. It could either be in the base repository configuration or it can be in the user's configuration. So we really need to have them aggregated together in order to produce a proper error message here. And I think this is the place to do it. All hooks. Repository? No. Repository. All hooks. Yeah. So this is where they get combined together in this hook function. That's not the hook function. This is the hook function. So it takes in a number of dictionaries and a root configuration, and it builds up. Oh, okay, cool. We already have some other validation here as well. So we can do that as well. Okay, so this is where we're going to put that logic. requires pre-commit. Let's see if I have a test for this already. Version and tests. Here we go. Test 2 new version. Cool. Okay, so I think I can just call this function directly, maybe, to test it. Let's see. Do we have enough information at this point to know? Yeah, I think we do. God, the one people are just like incredibly distracting. You. Uh, take your ears off. Yeah. Hey, what's up, Bineyard? Hello, hello. Good to see you. So the company that I applied to that I've been talking about for a while extended an offer yesterday. So it's currently in their court though. I have told them a few things that I want clarified on the offer. Essentially, like I want to still be able to work on open source and still stream and still upload to YouTube and etc. And still work on pre-commit CI and still receive money from Tidelift and Open Collective and GitHub sponsors and that sort of stuff. So it's currently in their court, but I think I'm probably gonna take the job. So that might happen. Sounds like good news. Yeah, it's good and bad news because it's good news because it means job, but it's it's potentially bad news because it will significantly shift the amount of free time that I have. But I don't know, should be good. Hey, what's up, Dibby and Dev? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Did you say that you want to own the rights to your own stuff? Yeah, that's essentially what I'm vying for. The wording that I said was, let's see. I've been advised to get written approval before signing contract, allowing the following things. I retain authorship and ownership of open source work unrelated to company, which is done outside of work and on personal hardware. Additional income sources requiring written approval in accordance with the contract. I'll note that these represent relatively zero income, but I've been advised to make sure they're covered anyway. None of these compete with company in any way and will not impact my ability to do my job. Twitch partner, streaming educational programming content in my free time. YouTube partner, educational programming content produced in my free time. Tidelift, Lifter, funding for work contributed to open source. Open Collective member, funding for work contributed to open source software. GitHub sponsor, funding for work contributed to open source software. Pre-commit CI under Satilia Advisory Services LLC. Software as a service income from my startup. But yeah, so I let them know. Don't say you're probably not. You're probably gonna take the job, especially if they're aware of the stream, so you can negotiate better. So the interesting thing, the way this company is set up, they don't really do negotiation at all. They have, which is fortunate or unfortunate. They have a formula where you plug in level and years of experience, and it gives you a number, and that number is not really negotiable. So I already tried that avenue, but yeah. No negation. No, it's not Netflix. I don't think I would want to work at Netflix. And it's not Fang either. So nope. Try again. Company's named Company. No, it's not named. I will talk about the actual company name once I have signed a contract. But until then, Mystery Company. Hey, what's up, Harsha? Nothing special. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. A formula. Yeah. 2x times y to the z. Is that the man, if that were the formula, that'd be way too easy. What is this? Get hook. Oh, this is for that. Do I have one that grabs a local hook somewhere in here? Oh, yeah. Here we go. I can just use get hook. Okay, cool. So store and the hook ID. Okay, def test error for language version with non-installable hook. Store big equals. God, I hate it so much. Repo local hooks, and this is where we make our system hook. ID foo name. Let's do system hook. Name foo. Name system hook. Language system, and then language version. Python 3.10. We also need entry. Python 3 dash C and print 0. Sure. I don't want to have to deal with all the coding. I can do import sys print sys language. Okay, so this should produce an error with test.raises. Oh, actually, we just do this here. What happens with the fatal error? Should this raise fatal error instead of parser.error, logger.error, and exit 1? What does fatal error do? Error handler. Well, this produces a stack trace and more information. What are the cases where fatal error happens right now? I think I should change this to use fatal error. Fatal error. Oh, so if we do recommit run all files outside of a Git repository, an error has occurred. Fatal error. Git failed. I don't know. I kind of like the other way. Look how this says error, fatal, and failed. Like 3 different ways to spell the same thing all at once. Yeah, I think these are all the cases where that happens. I do like this a little bit better. I wonder if I could change the fatal errors into doing this. That might be better than then not writing logs. Wow, there's a lot of errors right here. Yeah. I don't know. I guess we'll follow the same thing there. So what did we do with the other test? Minimum pre-net version. Oh, wow, this is annoying. Fake log handler. I think I should just use caplog here. Let's do caplog and see if we can actually get it. Caplog. With pytest.raises system exit as exception info. Get bug config store system hook. Assert exception info dot value code is equal to 1. And then we'll break a point here. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Dash K. No, stop. Let's try test this dash K that. It's a good offer. I hope you take it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Hey, what's up, Lexicon? Hello. Company name, tech lead, work on an open source programming, right? As a millionaire. Yeah. Too much food, not enough poop. Uh, fat Al error. The funk handler. Okay, so that's fine. That's what we expect. So let's implement that first bit of thing here, and then we'll fill out more. Pre-commit slash repository. Let's see. Lang equals ret language. What if we just did this? Oh, we actually need both of them. Language impl equals languages lang. Language impl. Okay, so we know that it has no if it's not installable if language impl's directory is none. So we can say if language impl dot, it's kind of loud now. Hold on, people are gone. Also, it's kind of loud on stream. So take it down a notch. What is the? I think it's environmenter. Languages system environmenter. Environment there is none. So if it's none, we should check for language version. If ret language version is not equal c not default, then okay. The hook ret ID specifies language version but is using language lang, which does not install an environment. Perhaps you meant to use a specific language? Okay, and then which one? Okay, so I think that's the first part of this. I have not used caplog much. Caplog.records? Caplog.messages? Ah. Yes, caplog is much better than the whack-ass way I was doing this before. Okay, so message equals caplog.messages, insert message equals. The hook, system hook, specifies language version, but is using language system, which does not install an environment. Perhaps you meant to use a specific language. Yeah, and that should be true. Git grep environmenter equals none. So Docker image fail pygrep script and system should not support language version. That makes sense. Wait, why does Docker have an environmenter? Why does Docker image not have an environmenter? Yeah, what's up? Shrewford, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Yeah, wait, why does oh, because this builds a Docker image and pretends that it has an environment. Yeah, I remember now. And this one does not. It just pulls the Docker. This is just a simpler way to do a system Docker hook, but with the special Docker options. Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, cool. I think that's good. I actually want to go through and fix the other ones to use caplog as well. Maybe we'll do that in a separate patch. Get rid of fake log handler. Log. Yes, there we go. Delete code, use PyTest stuff. Oh man, I've fallen to 6th in my own chat. And I satisfied. You've just passed 3,000 chat messages. You only have 6x more to go to pass Michaela. You cheated. uh, wait, no one in the top 10 surprises me. Although I am surprised how many messages my brother has. That seems like a lot. Oh my goodness, so we have 2 more followers. I will have 9696 followers. Oh, cool. Oh yeah, I guess if you don't show up for the Pokemon stream, then you talk a little bit less. That does make sense. I did stream Pokemon yesterday, and this 150 messages. That'll do it. That'll do it. Okay, cool. I can merge this now, and yeah. So I'll handle that other one in another batch. But let's do the second thing we want to do here. So that's additional dependency. Test error for additional dependencies. I guess we should say test non-installable hook error for additional dependencies, and we'll do the same thing here. Test non-installable hook error for language version. And then store caplog. Oh no, store caplog. Oh, 80 characters. Nice. Nice. And then we will do additional dependencies. Big V. I'll do Ace with my just raises system exit add exception info. Get hook configs for system hook. Assert exception info dot value dot code. It's 1. Applog dot messages. Assert message is equal to the hook system hook specifies additional dependencies, but is using language system, which does not install an environment. Perhaps you meant to use a specific language. Okay, cool. Let's implement that as well. 10 treatment repository. Look. Frames. I haven't dropped any frames. It's not me. Juice says, I just found out the saying dummy value is canceled. Yeah, it is. It is canceled, but I think that dummy value is canceled for the wrong reason. But yeah. Anyway, read additional dependencies. Error not error. Just take the same thing here. Pasta. Exit 1. Specifies additional dependencies. But is using language this, which does not specify environment. Perhaps you meant to use a specific language. think I can actually put this down here just so that it reads a little bit better. I think I'll also do that in the tests as well. Not enough string. Don't format code and test. Oh, I already did it down here. Cool. Cool. Dummies named after the dolls used to test things, though. Those are canceled as well. Hey, what's up, Sarcastic Dante? Hello, hello. Apparently those dolls are named after making fun of mute people in the 1800s. Wait, what? Wait, what? I didn't read that part of it. Okay, maybe I do agree with it being canceled. It's non-installable. Look. That should get both of our tests. Cool. Okay, so now if we cd into X and we do pre-commit run dash all files, we should get an error. Why didn't we get an error? Oh, because I had set language by then. There we go. Wait. Because we're using the old pre-commit. There we go. Look, foo specifies language version, but is using language system, which does not install an environment. Perhaps you meant to use a specific language. Yes. And if we comment out this, look, foo specifies additional dependencies, but is using language system, which does not install an environment. Perhaps you meant to use a specific language. Cool. That's exactly what we want to see. Nice. Produce a more useful error message when non-installable things use language version or bit of a long commit message. GitHub's gonna yell at me. I don't give a fuck. Long commit messages, ship it. Get push version head. Hey, what's up, Jaholo? Hello. Good to see you. Kale says, Anthonk, why does my teacher want us to use floats instead of doubles and heckin' out variables? I don't know. Decimals are better than floats, although floats can be faster than decimals. Out variables are interesting. Also, division by 0 is... I mean, I guess they're trying to get you to learn out variables or pointers. Although, wait, you've just started with C++ and they're already onto like using references as output variables. I mean, usually you would use an exception for division by 0. I would think. Yeah, let's open this pull request, then we'll do the other thing that I noticed while doing that as well. Yeah, I know it's too long, GitHub. I'll just have to deal. Maybe this isn't worth keeping a separate variable. Yeah. Languages lag. Yeah, I don't think that one variable is going to save. It actually added a line of code, didn't really save anything. Wait, did I not delete this line? Hello? Yeah, there we go. And it's just one edit block and 2 tests. Okay, looks good. Looks good. This reminds me of a math professor trying to teach us C. Oh boy, did he fuck up my mind about pointers. Oh no. Hey, what's up, Donatello? Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Third assignment is swapping some values on some pointers, and I kept messing up because I was literally trying to swap pointers, but I'm dumb. And heck, I realized I can just standard swap, but I'm not sure if I get a 0 for that. Yeah, using standard swap is probably cheating. Probably cheating. Because they're probably trying to teach you to use references. That would be my guess. Um, that would be my guess at their intentions. Oh, Dontel, Michaela was just saying hi. That's Michaela likes emotes for everyone. Emotes for everyone. Cool. Okay, so let's do the caplog thing next. Close some of these tabs. I got so many tabs here. What is in Z? All right, that thing. Fuck you, Golang. Why you gotta do this? Such a dumb design decision. Make read-only directories. No one else does this, but for some fucking reason, Golang does. We gotta do this shit, and then I can delete it. Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. So many bugs have been caused by this garbage. Anyway. I'm not mad. I'm a little bit mad. Okay. Check over the master dash b caplog more. Yes. Link log handler. Oops. Yeah, so I think we can get rid of you. In my defense, caplog was not always in PyTest, so this code probably predates caplog. Caplog dot messages cert message equals. Is that gonna work? Have I forgotten already how this thing works? Oh, I spelled messages wrong. Derp. Oh, that was the test I wanted. Oh, okay, that was easy. Cap log. Let's try that one. Too many values to unpack. Getting the error one instead. Okay, that's good. Epilogue. Log on messages. Are you sir? Looking swell there. That's not the right one. Too many values. Right. We have one from the info log and this from that. He wants us to make sure we understand pointers all. Yeah, makes sense. Drew says, oh yeah, XOR swap. XOR swap's pretty good. I definitely used that in code once, and someone was like, why did you do this? But I was like, XOR swap, isn't it cool? There's also add swap. Add swap's a good one too. Hey, what's up, Benja Jovial? Hello, hello. Jello says, by the way, I have never known about Golang and its read-only directories. Yeah, so it's cache directories inside of its Go path. For some reason, they are marked read-only. And it was added in like Go 112 or something, and it broke everything. And so there's this like really obnoxiously long verbose option that you can set so that it doesn't do that, but like it should just be the default. But somebody decided that was their fucking hill to die on, and so that's why it is that way. Um, but yeah, cool. That was easy. Get at the shoe. Replace fake log handler with caplog. Dope. I've never run into the issue. If you RMF your go path, I guarantee you'll run into the issue almost immediately. I guess if you don't care to clean up your go path stuff, then it's not a big deal. But as soon as you try and do that, GG no re. Man, feels productive. Feels productive. Go modules is where it's at. Yeah, Go modules is great. I remember the time. I remember the land before the time of Glow modules. Glow modules. Yeah, Glow modules. Yeah, I remember before Go modules. Yeah, you could simulate Go modules by the whack ass vendor directory or making a temporary Go path. Or... It's not fun. Last time I used GoPath is 111. Oh yeah, that was when they added the provisional Go module implementation stuff. Yeah, I still occasionally have to use GoPath for stuff that seems to not support it. Tofu's borking in her sleep and it's real cute. It's true. It's true. Dogs will do that. She gonna get that bun bun? Well, she's probably borking at a small human. Let's be real. That's Tofu's favorite thing. Is tiny humans. Uh, okay, that looks good. Right. There was something else that I wanted to do for some error message. Let's see if I can remember what it is. Oh, it's for repository hooks. So if you do something like recommit.config.yaml and you do repos, repo, and you just do some repo that doesn't have a pre-commit hook. So github.com/ace-utility/actpretty, for instance, rev 2.0 hooks ID ace-utility. So do something like this, and you do pre-commit run all files, and you don't typo. You don't typo pretty. You get this like kind of, I mean, you can kind of tell which one it is because there's this message here, but you get this like really confusing file doesn't exist error. And it would be nicer. It would be nicer if I could include a line above this that's like for repository this. This doesn't exist. Because then if you go look at the log here, the log makes it even less apparent what happened here. Like it doesn't tell you what repository is going on, so it could be improved then. So I think that's what I'm gonna try and do. Let's make that better. She loves tiny humans too much. It scares the tiny humans. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Joel says today I comment on an issue that is more than 6 years old. Oh no. Oh no. She's like the bunny from Monty Python, super cute, but a ball of razor sharp teeth and excitement. Juice, have you ever seen the killer bunny is actually in Minecraft? I don't know if it spawns anymore. Let's see. Killer bunny Minecraft. I think you only can spawn it with commands now. Can be spawned only by using it used to appear randomly, if I recall correctly. It's an aggressive variant of the rabbit, exclusive to Java Edition, hostile to all players. Blood red eyes that are horizontal compared to the normal rabbit's vertical eyes. It moves in a style similar to that of a spider. 8? 4 hearts of damage? Holy shit. Immune to thorns. I seem to remember. Oh, what? You can rename a rabbit Toast? I didn't know about that. Huh. A rabbit is the skin of the user in XYZ420's girlfriend's missing rabbit, which Ryan holds implemented as a memorial. I had no idea. That's cool. Where's the, like... Killer Rabbit Bunny. The Killer Bunny has been changed and no longer has blood. Oh, Killer... Oh, it was only during snapshots? Oh, it was only during snapshot. Okay, I see. It used to spawn. I was playing these snapshots, so I remember when these spawned, but I guess they don't spawn anymore. But anyway, killer rabbits. They did used to spawn naturally, just not anymore. Yeah, these hares ain't loyal. What? Maybe one of these days we'll hear say it's false, instead of it's true. Yeah, that doesn't really roll off the tongue, you know. I can fix this issue. Oh, nice. Did you say bunny? I did say buns. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Okay, so I think I can improve this error message somehow. Um, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I don't know any hip hop, but I'm pretty sure you're referencing these hoes ain't loyal. But I don't know. I don't know what that's from. Um, it's a joke on the song lyric. These hoes ain't. Okay, yeah. See, I know that lyric, but I don't know what it's from. So hey, what's up, Manchichi? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully, you're doing well. It is about time for me to fill up my water, so I'm going to do that real quick. I will be right back. I'm back. Riot Games had a denial of service attack today. Kind of gnarly. What happened with it? Another round of concerts canceled. Yeah. Nothing about that surprises me. Uh, IO instability. Black and Jock's choked on its own outputs here. Ran successfully the first time, but apparently couldn't parse back what it wrote on the checking run. What? What happened here? So they added the hook to reroute these things. Okay, that looks fine. Oh, that looks fine. My guess is it's the my guess is it's the use of Python code inside of a docstring somewhere. So it looks pretty fine so far. Oh god, this is so long. I don't know how I'm gonna find this. Well, let's check out their branch and see what happens. That's not what I want. IT. Oh god, this project is huge. No, stop. Depth 1. Don't care about the history. That's much better. They must have checked in some chunky files at some point. Don't care about this. Let's update that. Oh, you're in the chat. How's it going, Neutrino Zeros? Hello. This is. Let's see. Do this. We could find blacken docs, all files. Let's see what it does. I don't really use this tool, but it should work. Unless there's something. Oh, I mean, it failed to parse before it even started rewriting. Okay, let's look at this one. 386. What are you unhappy about in this? If we put this in a file and see what happens. Syntax error. So it's not wrong. Where's the syntax error? Line 4. Oh yeah, there's a colon missing here. So that one's at least not wrong. 386. So there's supposed to be a colon here. This one. 1291. Oops. 1291. Where's the bug here? All the colons are there this time, so that's good. There's a comma missing here. Okay. 1569. What's the problem here? There's a comma missing there. Yeah, this looks like it's not wrong. It's not the result of that. There's just existing syntax errors. So, I started looking through these, and the cannot parse bit looks correct. There are existing syntax errors in your code samples. Black or blackened docs can't magically fix those. Dear God, I'm sorry. It's all good. It happens. But anyway, syntax errors. So you'll need to fix the syntax errors. But yeah, that should get you further though. As soon as you start fixing those, it's this one, 1744. Oops. It used to not tell you the line number, so the line number is definitely much more useful here. What is the error here? Line 9013. This bit here. What's the syntax error there? Hey, what's up? I am Talking Rock. Sorry I missed your follow. And KSCS, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. We are now at 9696 followers. Nice. Oh, not anymore. Hey, what's up, Wawa? Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I don't know what the syntax error is on this one. Did I already fix this one and I just forgot? Is it Princey matching? Those all match. That matches. It's probably a buddy. Oh, it's an indent. Look at the space here. This is indented one too many. So anyway, we'll fix all that. But yeah, you can slowly go through and fix all these. I actually don't have time to do this, so I'll leave you to it, Neutrino Ceros. Thank you for the issue nonetheless, though. Welcome back, Anthog. Yeah, apparently there's a new type that is really hard to deal with, especially for UDP services like game services. I see. Here's the Twitter of the right tech lead. League's instability in Europe. They known as goddamn TDOS. Huh, interesting. I mean, I don't have time to read the whole thing, but interesting. I wasn't expecting you to look at that this quick. You underestimate my response time, I see. The other server! Good to see you again, late again after 3 hours of meetings. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty well. Feeling a little sick, but yeah. Didn't get banned for posting links. Yeah, my chat allows links. Links are a big part of programming, so they are permissible. Somebody says, why is Python 3-C import site print user base faster than Python-m site -- user base? Let's take the fastest one, I guess. 120 milliseconds versus Python-m site. So I already know the answer, but the reason is -m invokes a module called runpy, and you can actually see what's going on here by doing -x import time. Oops, I gotta put that before Python. Python 3-x import time. And you'll see that... hey, where's X? Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. Let me give you a shout out so that my viewers can check out your channel. How are you doing? Were you working on more crystal stuff today? Lukowitz and Fabraskas, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Oh, I should have noticed your raid, your wave before the raid. That's your signature move. Drop into the chat and give a wave. But welcome, welcome. Momi Jamala, good to see you again. Okay, yeah. So if we do, well, let's do them side by side so that we can see both of them. So if we do this over here, that's that one. And if we do -x import time. So you'll notice here that when we just do import site and print site to user base, we only import the necessary modules to build the site module. So that's site itself, user customized, site built-ins, the IO module, the encodings, Latin 1 and UTF-8 modules, zip import to do zip-based imports, um, and the time module. So these are what are needed to import in order to execute site. However, in order to do runpy, you actually have to import a lot more stuff here. So runpy triggers all of these other imports. So um, you'll notice up until here it's the same, but after this, you have the runpy module, which has to import import lib machinery, ABC, all these other modules, heap queue, collections, weakref, package util, etc. And so that's where the difference in speed happens there. I did do. God, what is the video going to be called though? I did a video on this. Import. Is it in the profiling? It might be in this video. Let's see if it's in this video. Shush past me. Yeah, it's in this video. So I go over. Man, this is an old video. Look at this. Look at this. Short-haired, no fancy lights. I mean, it's not all that different than me now, but it's back in May. Oh yeah, the quarantine will be over in a month or two. Oh. No, we didn't. We did some Crystal, now we want to watch some Python. Nice. Well, fortunately, we're going to be writing some Python today, so that should go well. Now facepalming myself into oblivion. I still miss one line? It's fine, whatever. It's all good. Incorrect indentation. You all caught it in chat, and I just missed it from you. Hey, what's up, A-Hacker? Hello, hello. Raid, indeed, indeed. KJ says, bang job. I don't have a job yet. Not yet. Although I did get a job offer yesterday, so I'm in the final stages of that. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, probably will have one. No long boy. Well, Noodle's right here. Noodle's chilling out. See? We got long boy chilling out up here. Bang future job, right? Right? Hey, what's up, RKJ? Hello, hello. Good to see you. KJ says, hi, new back. Is there a code formatter in Python like Prettier for JavaScript? There are a lot of them. In fact, some that I have written. The most popular one at the moment appears to be black. Yeah, so black I believe is the most popular one right now. I actually don't use black myself. I use a series of other formatters. So the ones that I use, and I will show you the ones that I've written. Let's see. Where's double? This is technically a formatter. It goes from double quotes to single quotes. This is a formatter, I guess not for Python. This is for requirements.txt files. This is a linter, which I maintain. This is the biggest formatter that I use. I did not write this, however, I have contributed to it. PyUpgrade is a formatter that I wrote. Reorder Python imports is a formatter that I wrote. Add trailing comma is a formatter that I wrote. This is the closest to black if you were going to compare them. I guess AutoPep8 is also similar to black, but this is closest in ideals to black. This is the formatter for setup.cfg. But yeah, code formatters. Pros don't use code formatters? No, you're so wrong. You're so wrong. Yeah. Code formatters are the best. I mean, oh, no longbow. Yeah, I actually don't. The plushies don't show up in the YouTube videos. What did you explain in HTML? I think I did. I know I've done one in HTML. Oh, here we go. Oh, this one is about my HTML. Oh, there's two videos on each. Oh, over here. Why is my phone buzzing? I did one about Selenium. I think I already did. I did one as well about some like security concept in. Oh, it's Dick Sword. It's Dick Sword. I did another one on. What was the security? Yeah, CSRF. That one as well. Oh, you also said CSRF. Perfect, perfect. That doesn't sound professional to me, says J Pratt. Pros write code perfect the first time. Yeah, 100%. You mean pros copy the perfect code from Stack Overflow the first time? There we go. Excellent. I'm still struggling with that proxy auth thing. Oh no. Oh no. We had a custom profile at Yelp that did that. Or that handled some settings like that. So that wasn't a problem. But yeah, I can understand why it would be frustrating. Okay. Yeah. You know, this is actually interesting enough that I think I will show this in a video. So we can do that as well. Video idea, why is dash M site slower than dash C sites? Dash C import sites. It's not much slower, but it is slower. Pros know exactly how many characters they need to type for perfect autocomplete and use code formulators. I mean, I actually don't use autocomplete all that often, but yeah, I can give you that one. You don't need the YT project anymore. What was I working on? Does anyone in chat remember? Something pretty good. Oh, error messages. Yes. Where's master dash B? Better repository error messages. Yeah. So this is the error message that we get right now. Oh, it's way worse if you aren't initially setting it for the first time. So yeah, definitely should fix this. Where does this happen though? A multi-stack trace. Okay, so config v raises this, and then it's from here. It's from here. Where's my window width? Oh, it's right in the middle. I just didn't see it. There we go. 80. So in this file on 155. Okay, so this is where that happens. So at this point, we know the repo and the rev. So it would be better if load manifest produced a good error message here. Load manifest in pre-commit. So it's running auto update. GC try repo and repository. You still left one extra indent in the next line in the file you just closed. I think I did xn. Which file was that, Cyberbell? I think it was in the YT files, but I just deleted the whole thing. I wasn't going to contribute that myself. I was going to let them handle it. I don't need more blame and more projects. I don't need more people pinging me, hey, you wrote this code like 4 years ago. Are you the owner of this code? Can you help me? No, I just reformatted the white space. Sorry, good luck. That's why, well, I guess I don't want to say that I stopped doing sweeping changes at Lyft, but I did many fewer so that I had many fewer people coming after me being like, "Hey, is this your code?" Nope, nope. I just contributed. Please leave me alone. Dead voice. Freeman is badly named. Oh, man, fuck that guy. Okay, so in like a strange turn of events, I answered this guy's question on Stack Overflow. And then he had the audacity. There are two hard things on computer science: hash and validation and naming things. The name pre-commit is confusing. No clue how to solve this, but I think this is an issue. That's why I just said cool. This is also the guy. Oh my god. This file is hilarious. What is sandpaper stickied on track point? He's covered his nipple mouse with sandpaper for some reason. Interesting. But somewhere in here, yeah. Time is too short. Care for E302. He's so close to getting the right answer here. Like so close to getting the right answer here. Um, time is too short to manually make style guide checker happy. Yeah, I agree. Totally agree with that. Um, oh, I changed the messaging here. Interesting. Before he was just like, don't use Flake 8. For the Python, there is black, but it is not ready yet. But anyway, I was like memeing about this like a while ago, and sure enough, like had to come by here. Oops! I didn't mean to click on that. Oh god, I don't want to see your face again. So I closed it and I was like, cool, yeah, whatever. And then they opened another one. um, I think that person has lost at least some of his marbles. Perhaps. You can make pre-cum jokes when pre-commit is being useful. How is that badly named? You deserve that, bonk. Sorry, Benny, but you're not the first to make that joke. I have heard that many a time before. Oh hey, Neutrino Ceros. Okay. Yeah. Anyway. So. The thing is, load manifest doesn't know enough here to actually produce the right error. Oh, so this might not be easy to fix. Load from file name. Oh yeah, it's just partial. It really doesn't know what to do here. Load precom.it so it's Italian. Can I purchase .it domains? Oh hey, these are done. Mersh and mersh. Yay. .it domain registration requirements. I think I actually have to have an address in Italy if I recall correctly. Now I gotta click on the ad. There's new fund. Entity type. Persons foreign and Italian. Do you think I could spin that? The registrant must be either a resident of an EU nation or a citizen of an EU country. For example, a French citizen living in the US can buy an IT domain. And a US citizen living in France can buy an IT domain. But an American living in the US cannot buy an IT domain. Okay, well, I guess I am ineligible then. But anyway. Machine is ready to boot up. Oh, are you booting up your computer? The old hard drive has to sit outside the case for now. Oh, well, aren't you, transferring all the files off of it, so it's not a big deal? Um, what do you think, and what is the reasoning you think? I feel he named a tool poorly. I need to spend my time and create an issue for. Yeah, like, what the fuck was he thinking? Like, it really came across as one of those, like, ho ho ho, I'm going to wag. I'm important. Notice me. Notice me for this thing that I have noticed. There's no way that you can possibly fix it because it's been a tool for 7 fucking years, but notice that I have noticed that, you know, you may have not have named this the best. Like, what the fuck are you gonna do at that point? Ugh. I can buy it for you. We split the gains though. The gains on the open source software. Yeah, the negative gains. Um, correct. I have to do it twice for 2 drives. I don't know what to do for checking the BIOS and making sure things are okay. I mean, if you hook stuff up, it should beep in the right way. If you hook up a screen, it should work. Will it recognize my wireless keyboard? I don't know. It depends if the BIOS has drivers for it. Most do nowadays, but it can't hurt to plug one in, I guess. You should just ban it from opening issues. I strongly considered that. I have not done that yet, but if I get another negative interaction, yeah, 100%. Did you thank them for their point of view? Sounds like a QA engineer, perhaps. Precommit is quite clear. It does things before. Yeah, no, I totally agree that precommit is not the best name. Um, but at this point, it's impossible to change it. Like I 100% agree with the sentiment. And I've publicly said this many times. Um, but I think that like it was perhaps the right name for the tool when it was created. I didn't really well I had no idea the scope that it would grow to at all. So Tile sounds very Italian. You can get away with that. It is. It is Italian. It means like thin, which I'm not really quite living up to it right now because of quarantine. What a monster! Oh no, oh no. Is he this way in other stuff too? Uh, removed old version. I mean, 1604 is not end of life yet. Kind of agree with removing 1404. Um, what happened here? What changed? Including a short how-to for Microsoft Windows. Wait, I don't even see what changed here. Am I dumb? They look the same. I actually don't know what changed there. Maybe it's line ending, something or another. But yeah, this one's not. I mean, I would have removed 1404 for sure. But yeah, what was the other one? This one I feel like is all right. It's not the worst. Hey, look, it's Marco. Marco is not the owner of this repository, but also it's like right there. Keeps going. Oh no, what else is there to see? Christ. All right. Oh well. You've done is all good. Happy bias beeps, indeed, indeed. Sprigment does not things before committing. I mean, it does. It can also do things after committing. Is the other thing. He is. I am not though. Hmm. There's nothing wrong with the name Prigment. Yeah, I feel like it could be better. Wait, still he means Vim? No, it means thin. How's it going, Kambiko? Good to see you. Reminds me of this gem. Oh God, what is this issue? Oh man, this guy, this fucking guy. I like how so many people downvoted me. Man, people are fucking mad. Oh, God, I forgot about this. This issue now, or I'm fucking. I want to get that on like a fucking t-shirt. uh, oh, I forgot about that. I was not ready for that. Um, still he means Emacs. I use router Python imports anyway. Yeah, it's true. It's true. So it says, okay, I'm going to carry it over to its spot and plug it in and pray, I guess. I mean, yeah, good luck. Should work. Drunk says, is it still Hacktober? God, that. It's Hack Marchter, right? Can also do things while committing. Mm, no. Can anything do something while committing? I was going to create a trolley list, my Zish. Pepe or Black, pick one or the other, right? Watch it, punk. I'll fork this repo so fast. 10 out of 10 would buy the shirt. Learn today that Pepe violation equals a bug. T-shirt idea. Reopen this issue right now. Right. You definitely need to get into merch. There are so many shirts I would buy. Yeah, I should set something up. I'll leave a note for myself to do that as well. Oh my god. This isn't meant as a nag. Then why did you open it? See also 36. This is 100% a nag. Oh my god, people are the worst. Oh my god, something got released 6 hours ago and you haven't updated it yet. If you look at commits here, it automatically commits every single one. It's so nice. It just does it automatically. And I don't need to do this. I should just turn off issues. It might be easier. It might be easier. Pre-commit to less confusing name where I'm forking. The funny thing is, in the very early part of the project, somebody forked pre-commit to a project named pre-push. Instead of just adding pre-push support, they forked the whole thing and renamed it. And then I added pre-push support, so like it was useless. But the reply to the fork should be, after you got done forking it, please submit a pull request with the fix. Yeah, there's a new MyPy version. 800 is out, which finally supports PEP 5630, 535. I don't know, whatever the one is where you can do type things in Python 3.9. You rename Prigman right now, young man, or there's no open source for a month. Actually, I wanted to test something about MyPy. I want to test whether if I'm running 3.8, can I use the 3.9 annotations? So if I can't, that's really gonna suck. Please, 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 please. Yes. 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 Oh, that's so good. Okay, I'm glad they implemented it the right way. Praise be. Praise be. I was about to be real mad. And polling works too. Oh, so good. So good. Okay. Dope. Explains video what's new in MyPy 0.800. It's not 0.8, it's 0.800. I don't even know. I don't really work on MyPy. I feel like it's not worth a video. MyPy Python / MyPy. Oh, let's look at their changelog. News? Changelog? Changelog. Blog. A blogspot URL. Oh man. 3.9 sports, yeah. Pet 585. Yeah, this was something that surprised me as well. I don't know what changed here, but it's way fucking faster for some reason. Oh, 604 is supported also? Yo, wait a minute. Does that also have the same thing? Or do I have to... Well, future... For annotations, x, y, int, or stir to none. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. Yes. Oh. Okay, I gotta do a pie upgrade thing for this then. Nice. 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 Also, apparently it supports 420 now. Although it probably still doesn't support 420, but it may support 420 now. And then a bunch of other stuff. Good. That's a good change. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I feel like it's not worth the video, so the guy who made a video on how to pronounce PyPI. Listen. People need to know how to pronounce PyPI. They don't care about some release of some tool. That's not a huge deal. I love the consistency of TNet. Yeah. It says exactly what it does, right? I actually have a full repository of t.pies. I haven't updated in a while. Mostly because I make videos about stuff instead of committing it to this repository. Which actually, maybe I should change some of these into videos. What was this? Oh, this is my AST wizarder to set contexts. Yeah. Oh, this one is good, and I reference this a lot. Yeah, but anyway, t.py, the best. For me, it does what the name says, not using too many hooks yet, though. Which thing? Oh, pre-commit? Yeah, I guess that's fair. Is email not right anymore? Spellcheck keeps low-key shaming me for being a boomer. E-mail? Yeah, isn't it just lowercase email now? Boomer, make sure you have the dash. Don't want anyone to confuse it with real mail. It has some fixes to steps for the pathlab. Oh, nice. Nice. I guess it has some of my step fixes too as well. My pet abuse stream, yeah. Isn't it title so capitalization was correct? I ordered... What? What is this? I'm also suddenly hungry. What is this? Oh. That looks cool. I don't know what this is from. Is this like some Game of Thrones something or another? Looks neat. Time to update all the code? Yeah, I'm gonna make PyPgrid do all these things. I should make PyPgrid do the other one as well. The PEP 604 stuff. Just got used to from typing import. Yeah, I say the Python community talks about PEPs like my PM talks about Jira tickets. Oh, 420 is released now? Yeah. So X pipe none is the new optional X? Yes, 100%. It's so much better. It's so good. But yeah. I think there's already an issue about this now that I think about it. Yeah, this is that one. Hey, what's up, Gus Take? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's see. Pep. What was it? 604? 604. Pep 604 rewrites. Now that MyPy supports this, we should as well. Notably, it is these two replacements. Union XY to spike Y, or optional X to X or none. Labels enhancement. Submit. Okay, yeah, we'll work on that at some point as well. PyPI? I always called it PyPy. No, Jaholo. No, PyPy is an interpreter. This is exactly why I made the video. I have git push function my Zisher see that it is git push set upstream origin head. So sorry, Benny, that probably means that you're checking out branches incorrectly. You're probably just doing git checkout dash b foo when you should really be doing origin slash master or origin slash main dash b foo. Origin head even, then you don't have to care about it. So this will have the upstream set properly if you use this checkout command. Probably using the wrong command, if I had to guess. But oh no, Ethan typing. Yeah, Ethan's not even here. Is it possible that my monitors are dead? The likelihood of that is so low. Nah, I'm good. I'm not going to manually click this even if people ask for it. That's what the automation is for. God, people are fucking nuts. Relentless. I bought all this nothing. Well, I mean, upgrading your computer is still a good thing to do. Are you saying that they're still not displaying? Things are still not turning on? To read my question, I don't know the difference between git push and git push origin. I go over that in my video about this. Useful trick for pushing branches. I'm pretty sure I cover it in this video. Pretty sure. What does git checkout dashes track do? So what this does on its own, without dashes track, is it will create a branch from whatever you currently have checked out, which is almost always not what you want to do. So it can check out a old revision of this and track an upstream. So if you go to, I don't know, git clone, needs to be pretty. Let's say for some reason, I was at this commit here, and I did git checkout dash b foo. You'll see now that it has no tracking branch and it is at that exact position that I was at. But if I do the same thing, but I instead do track origin slash master, this will now already be... Wait, what? That's not what I expected. That's not what I expected at all. Oh, here's where it says, yeah, it pulls to the latest head. Huh. Huh. Okay, well. I guess git checkout dash b dash t is the same as git checkout thing dash b. I'm trying the other monitor now, but my good one is probably dead. That's so weird. Now this will be my third time watching this video. Oh no. Well, at least it's always there, so we no longer have to redo it. Yeah. Okay. Now I've totally forgotten what I was doing. What are we at? 3-hour mark? Let's do a little bit more today. Let's do... Oh, we were working on this, and then I realized that it's hard to do. Let's do PEP 604. Which actually we need some of the stuff from PEP 585, so I think I will merge this patch first. Pi upgrade to get some of those fixes. Where are we at? Pi 39 plus and PEP 585 rewriting. Yeah, so let's look at the change here, make sure we're good. Yeah, just that rewrite. Imports feature. I need to rewrite most of my upgrade at some point. I need to make it more modular at some point. Yeah. Okay, cool. I don't need to improve my own pull request. What am I doing? What sound does your computer make when it turns on? Does it beep at all? And does it stay on? It did not beep. It stays on. I mean, you could try getting a cheap display. Displays are not that expensive now. It might be time to get new display. I don't know. I don't know. Just finished reading that entire Black thread. I didn't realize people get that mad about this sort of thing. Yeah, oh my god, people are the fucking worst about that sort of stuff. The whole Black issue tracker is just kind of toxic. Sometimes I go in there if I want a good laugh. Okay, so we're gonna merge this so I can base on top of it. The display shows that it isn't getting input. Are your cables all plugged in nicely? What kind of cable are you using? Have you tried plugging your HDMI cable into a different computer? Does it fit into your laptop? Does your laptop have HDMI? Because that would help you start eliminating problem points. Okay, but now, hey, what's up, Rasmus? Hello, hello. IT Anthony. things that I don't want to ever hear. Hey, what's up, MSR? I mean, 3 hours late, but you're still here. It's good to see you. Welcome back. If no beeps, then the motherboard might not be getting all the power it needs. Oh yeah, shouldn't it be one? I guess it depends on the motherboard. You would have to look at the you would have to look at the you'd have to look at the what am I trying to think of? Oh, the motherboard manual. The monitor does work. It's possible the thing is not plugged in fully. I have no idea. I would have to I have to be there in person to be able to debug it better, or over video. Debugging it over Twitch chat's gonna suck. I just thought of a bug in the thing that I just wrote last time. What is the name of the test we wrote? So yeah, I split these up by name so that it would be easier to find the test, but now I don't remember what they are. I should have called it typing something, but I didn't for some reason. Set raw percent OSR open octal decorators new style classes native literals meta classes mock main long IO imports future import removals identity equality generic types test. Okay, we're gonna move that test. But I just thought of something else. So this is all fine and dandy if you're doing from future import absolute import and old things. But it should leave this alone. Actually, maybe it's not a problem. What are all the types that we do here? Oh, it's a problem. It's gonna be a problem for aliases. Shit. Yeah. Okay, so can't release this yet because this should be a no op, and it's only in 3.7. Random from typing import list alias some alias equals list int, and also from future word annotations. So it should only be doing this in typing contexts. Not in a type annotation context. So that should be failing right now. And it is. Damn. So we have to realize when we are in an annotation or not. Oh, that's gonna suck. That's gonna really suck. How am I gonna do that? So I don't think there's a visit annotation. That's. I wonder how PipeGrid. I don't think PipeFlex handles this either. They mentioned Anth explains in the latest Python podcast. Yeah, I saw that. Which is pretty cool. I'm glad people check out. I actually got a bunch of YouTube subscriptions from it, so it seems like people are actually checking it out. It's a decent bump of subs in the last 2 days, so kind of cool. Pretty neat. Rasmus says, I have a question for you. How do you suggest going about developing intuition for these interview questions where they ask what would be an outcome of a certain code? I just have an interpreter in my brain. I don't know. I feel like just running the code is not a terrible response to those. Honestly, if they're asking you to interpret code, like that's what computers are for. It's not really what humans are for. So Comic says, I previously had the issue of DisplayPort cable not being certified one. I've seen that before. Seem to rely too much on running the program. I guess that's fine. Review PRs, it's the same environment where you're looking at the code without necessarily checking it out. Yeah, that's kind of true as well. MSR says, I apt reinstalled Python 3 today. Was kind of shocked GNOME was gone and only TTY is available. Thankfully, it's quite easy to reinstall it. Oh no. Wait, why did you apt reinstall Python? That just seems like a bad idea. Um, uh, yeah, so we have annotated assignment, which has an annotation property, but I don't think there's a type that gets visited for that. The same is true for arguments. Is there a... I don't think either of these are gonna get hit. Oh, Art gets hit though. Okay, so maybe this isn't the worst. Maybe we can do this. So this is not hit. Okay, cool. So that's not so bad. We also need to do visit name and assign annotated assignment. Visit and assign node. Probably be underscored. So basically, we need to say that we're in an annotation for all the stuff that's in that. So I think we need to do that here and here. Okay. So we should get 3 results. Yeah, cool. Cool. W Coding says some cheap DisplayPort cables aren't to spec and have voltage on a pin that shouldn't, which can cause strange things. Public Ruby says, unrelated topic, but a productive one for those working with one monitor. Windows is coming up with a managed window tiling. A tool called Power Toys. Oh, I've heard about Power Toys before. It's not new. But I guess they're integrating it. That's cool. OSR says there were some errors on package resources when I tried to create a new virtual env, and I thought to myself, let's go for. Oh no, are you running into the. Oh, that was why you did the reinstall. That's probably due to Debian's virtual env fuckery. Brew be like, oh, you want to install Cowsite? Fuck you. You haven't talked to me in forever. I'm going to upgrade Python, Ruby, and Perl for good measure, along with their dependencies. Yeah, it's so true. It's so true. I'm not looking forward to the next brew install that I have to do on my Mac that I haven't booted in 4 months. Oh, it's gonna suck. Um, yeah. So everybody says I had to go to the office to get my new RM64 MacBook, and one of my scripts is fucked up, so I accidentally owned Etsy sudoers, and the whole OS had to be reinstalled. Oh no. Perl for good measure, maybe. Yeah. Right. Where's next? Just in case you. Oh, my switch fell. What? Why? How did you fall? Not even anywhere close to the edge. Oh, because my headphones are wrapped around my switch cable. Oh god, rat's nest of cables. I need to get better at cable management. I don't know yet. The other problem is this cable has a like twirl in it because I fiddle with my headphone cable all the time and twirl around my fingers, and so it gets all sorts of messed up. This user guide sucks. Do I have to put BIOS? No, you shouldn't have to flash the BIOS. You should be fine. Or let some actual rats move in. Brew uninstall brew is still gonna upgrade brew. It's true, although I don't think that does anything. Okay. So we have to change visit name and visit oh fuck. So we need to know whether we are 3.9 or above. Because in 3.9 we can rewrite these. It's only in old ones that we can't. Oh my god. And actually, I should take this test and also do it below, but for 3.9 and make sure that gets rewritten. 3.9. Well, I don't have to change that. So I should have one failing test now. Yeah, okay. Oh, this is kind of annoying. Um, so this actually needs to have a double under init that takes in the version. Version tuple instance. Actually, I think it's inst dot to dot now that I think about it. Equals version. Then I gotta change the one caller in version. Then we gotta add another bit of state here, which is whether we are inside of in type annotation equals false. So we gotta say if self dot version is greater than or equal to 3.9 or in typing annotation. It's going to add this to all of these here. Yeah. Someone just asked for help with Java in a support Discord I'm in and refused to Aurelius, and I'm more annoyed about the way he talked than curious as to why he's not using the built-in language. Oh god, if you refuse to use Aurelius, there's some real problems there. Just export homebrew new auto update equals 1, so you'll need to explicitly call brew update. Oh, that's helpful, but that should maybe be the default. Hey, what's up, Watch Older Bear? Hello, hello. Good to see you and welcome back. Even know why Twitch and Chrome is using a full core CPU. I have a 2-second delay when typing in chat because I'm being throttled to avoid over. That's crazy. What? Light was on DRAM LED lit. The RAM or CPU is not detected or failed to be incompatible with the motherboard. Alright, is your RAM slotted all the way in? You have to push it in real hard and make sure both of the things clip in. But that is a step. You have to make sure both of those things clip. If they don't clip, it's not in. It's gonna feel like you're trying to break the board, but you gotta make sure. This is like one of the few things where you actually need a lot of force, and it's gonna feel like you're trying to break the board. Usually it's fine. Hopefully you don't break the board though. Juice says, wait, wait, wait. Don't tell him this and he actually breaks the board. Juice says this happened to me once. Alright, Ace says only one side has a clip. Do not, however, break the board. Yeah. If it seems like it's in, try taking it out and putting it back in. Yeah, that's a good idea as well. I would feel bad, but also laugh if it was just something not plugged in away. Now the CPU light is on. Oh no. Did you clip the CPU in all the way? Because, and in the right orientation? She says, and I realized there was a piece of plastic over the thermal paste and it was super hard to mount in, and then a week later, melted plastic over my oh no. Yeah, the processor has like I don't know about AMD processors, but on Intel there's a corner that matches up with a corner that you put it in. Um and like you clamp it down. I actually don't know anything about AMD processors. Don't do that, RKJ. I started using Edge because Microsoft added a password manager extension to their iOS Authenticator app. Oh. Diamond Dust says broke CPU pin. Hopefully not. Yeah, hopefully not. That would be real bad. Uh, that would be real bad. That'd be real bad. Okay, so now all of these tests, except for the no-op one, should be failing. Um, I apparently was inconsistent in this. Oh, in typing annotation should be in type annotation. In type annotation. Okay, so now I should. Oh, because those are the Python 3 plus. Okay, so now we are just down to the future annotations one. Okay, because it doesn't know that it's in a type annotation. Cool. All right. We're actually going to improve this test slightly, so we also have this as well in here. So that also gets rewritten. So we should have one failing test. Okay, cool. Cool. So was that parameterized? If it's parameterized, I'll just yeah, we'll make two separate tests then. PyTest.fram ID equals variable annotations. Then we'll do the one for function annotations. Argument annotations. Oh, we also have to do one for return value as well. Forgot about return value. This returns list int. Return annotations. Return annotations. Oh, I must have hit page up. Fucking hate the page up key. Hit that all the time. It's not what I want. I've confused myself. Let's actually just write this out again. This should be lowercase list. This should be argument annotations. Should be. Oh god, I've super fucked this up. That one's right now. This one is no longer right. Okay, so we should have 3 failing tests now. And of course we have a argument count problem. So we forgot a comma here and here. Okay, 3 failed tests. That's good. You don't need a BIOS on the flash drive. You'll need your operating system on a flash drive. So you'll need to flash the Windows installer to a flash drive. But at this point, the screens should be on. Yes, Windows installation. I guess says, how do I use git to print the difference between the last commit and what I've changed since then? Isn't git diff? Yeah, git diff should do that. Git diff for things that are already committed. Git show will show you the previous commit. You can use git diff head caret to have the differences between what you already committed and what's not committed. I'm not getting a screen. Missing boot device. Yeah, you should still get the BIOS menu. Speed Coder says, ever get back problems or is it just me? My sitting posture is strat. Oh my sitting posture is trash too. I have no idea what I added / changed since last commit. Oh, you can do get diff -- staged. Please type, thank you for the resub with Prime. 6 months. You should have a fancy new badge now, Blinks type. Also, welcome back. Good to see you again. Right. 3 plus. So we need to add visitors for those 3 things. We don't have one for annotated design, so we'll add that. After visit function def. And visit sync func. Visit. I guess it'll be part of visit func. Visit annotation self node ast.any ast.ast. That's what it's called. To none. So I actually don't need to do. Oh, I do need to do generic visiting in here. Yeah. Bridge self.in annotation equals in annotation true self.generic visit node self.in annotation equals ridge. Yeah, so here we need to do self.visit annotation node.returns. That what it is? Yeah. Then we need to do visit and assign We need to do self.visit annotation. Node.annotation. And we also need to do visit org. This will double things. I guess it's fine, it just reassigns it. Yeah, suggest pass now. And of course they do. They definitely 100% do. Oh, in annotation should be in type annotation. 1468. There's a typo in the test. It's fine. One of my coworkers sits like L from Death Note. I have bad posture, personally. I understand. I didn't stage it yet because it's super annoying and hard and confusing to undo that. Then it should just be get diff. Points type with the AOC carpet. Good to have you back. Pogrommers don't stop, we believe. What a Naruto thing to say. CK Darby, welcome back. Good to see you again. Are you still in dead SF or have you moved out of California? I'm still in the Bay Area. Haven't moved out yet. I want to move out, but yeah, haven't done that yet. Okay, so I think it's just the typo in this test. 110. One of these is missing a square bracket. Here. And sign has no. Oh, it should be annotation, not annotations. Yes. So I fucked up here. I guess I could just rename the branch. Get branch dash m pep 585. Only in annotations pre 39. Oh, that means rewriting the imports is going to be off. Huh. Hmm. Only rewrite peb 585 types and annotations 3.9. It could be option. See. Lambda has no returns. Guess we have to guard that. Thank you, my pie. If is instance node, if not. We're gonna need a test for that. Test typing got 585 test. Lambdas do not have annotations. Oh, there were already failures. Huh. Probably for things that are none. A generic visit failing on those. So I probably also need to guard those. Okay, we're just gonna stop this now. None-time mismatch fields, yes. Pie annotation. If not is if the annotation is not none. That should fix the test. Clearly it does not. How are we still passing none into there? Oh, returns. And no, that returns is not none. Oh, yeah. Let's see what that does. SF is dead. A lot of people have moved out. Blink's type is said, is this for the new MyPy version? Yeah, yes and no. It's always kind of been, I mean, this has been pepped for a while. 1500 is not matched. Annotated assign. Can annotated assign have an annotation that's none? Maybe it can't. Yeah, because it has to that literally annotated. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Yay. Oh god, look at all these branches I have locally. What have I done? I think I can probably clean up some of them. Yeah, well, one of them. Okay. And then we'll do 604 next. I wonder if my teacher will think I'm full of shit with this comment. We could simply use a periodic function template with unary left folding. I think they'd be like, you don't belong in this class. All my friends are leaving California for Texas. Yeah, I know a lot of people that are moving out. Or Canada. It's the second assignment. Also wishing I'd finished writing a paper about crafting interpreters because this one's a little calculator app, though we're supposed to do it a lot simpler than that. Ah, I see. But what's in Texas? A friend of mine moved there 2 years ago to teach chemistry, and she tells me stories of how her colleagues believe the SARS-CoV that COVID is a hoax. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alexa Khan says I'm amazed by the coverage of the tests. I mean, I stick to 100% coverage. You start there, it's easy. Adding it later is a lot more work, but Kamiko says I gave up and installed Twitch on my smart TV, and with only the chat window open on my laptop, Anthony writes code in 4K. If only he would stream in that resolution. Man, if I had a better uplink, I could stream in 4K. Although I would need a new screen. Because my main monitor does not have 4K. Although I don't know why you would stream programming in 4K. Of course, in like 2 years from now, people are gonna be like, "Why aren't you streaming in 4K?" And it's like, that's why it's not in 4K. Uh, uh, um, as a heads up, that's literally an egg. All right, bud. Not an egg, but nagging. Imagine not streaming 4K. What is this 2020? Okay, so now that we've done this, we can do 604. Oh, we can also close an issue. This is unrelated but different. Via 371. I should make another thing for this. Oh, actually, I think I can just do this. Yes. A little bit different. I wonder if we can adapt. Oh no, we can't because it's different preconditions. I was thinking if I could adapt the PEP 585 mapping to do that as well, but I can't. All right, let us do this now. I upgrade. PEP 604. Typing PEP 604 test. Okay. Okay, so what do we need to do? Import is. What is this used for in here? Oh, annotations. So we need the same thing here. Yep. From pi upgrade, import, fix, add 3 plus. We have the same version constraint here. Make some no-op tests here. Test, fix, PEP 604 types, no-op, S version. So let's do 3.9. Type in union. Was 3.9 union. Or I guess less than 3.10 union. We need one for optional as well. Optional stir. Optional. We probably also need this test as well. Oh, this is going to. Wait, how did this pass? Oh, I guess it passed for a different reason in 3.6. Because this is gonna be a syntax error in Python 3.6. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, then we need the actual fixes. Fix PEP 604 types as expected. Fix 310 now. Did I do 6 of 5? I did. Thank you for the catch there, Cyberbenny. But just a pram. We only have like, we have very few cases here. We do have this case as well, so we need to also get that as well. But it's really basically just that and that. Oh, but rewriting these arguments is going to be a bit fucky. I don't know how that's going to work. Yeah, we might write the test today. I might actually not write the implementation because I think I'm going to have to think about this a lot. Let's see. From typing import union, x union and stir. That should go to from type pipe stir. Because the problem is figuring out the actual arguments here. I don't think I have code for that, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of work on that. And I kind of want to eat food because I skipped lunch and I'm pretty far into this. Union rewrite, and then we want optional as well. Optional stir. Optional. I think we'll put none at the end. Yeah, that seems right. That's optional rewrite. We'll just copy paste this one up here. Not in a type annotation context, this should go to int or stir. Actually, does this break? I don't even know if that's allowed. Let's try it. You're right. Thank you, Cyberbunny. Should the PEP 585 available in the README be 3.9? Did I typo that? Yes, it should. 100% should. Did I put 310? God damn it. Well, that's an easy fix. Hey, what's up, Earth? Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Scroll ball shell all over the place. Where's the one that I actually want? 3.9. Next typo. Pi 310 plus 2. Pi 3.9 plus. Let's do a display. This form mentions flashing the BIOS. I feel like you shouldn't need to flash the BIOS. Huh. Yeah, maybe you have to. Maybe you have to. Maybe the BIOS. Huh. That's weird. I've never had that problem. This must be like an AMD thing. Everything else seems to be working. Yeah, you might have to flash the BIOS then. That's really weird. Very weird. Okay. Alright, I think those are all good now. We also need to do the ones that are the from future import annotations ones. So interesting that I just put 3 there. Actually, not the right value, but this would error otherwise, so I think it's fine. And we need to do it in all 3 of the places, probably. Typing import union, x union and stir. Oops. Probably gonna make the same mistake I did last time. So we need argument and we need return. So here we need this one's gonna take me a long time to get used to, so I'm actually pretty helpful or pretty excited about. I think what I mean to say is I think my upgrade's gonna be really helpful in training me to do this. And pipe stir. Yes. Yes. Okay, so that should give us our tests. And they should all be failing except for the no-up ones, and they are. So that'll give us something to work on. I'm gonna just push this work in progress up for now. Thanks so much. I was drinking. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's gonna be. It would be a ton of work to do this by hand. But yeah, that's a work in progress. I will work on that one later. Just packing up, coming over. Sounds good. I'll see you when you get over. But yeah, this is gonna wrap us up for today. Yeah. So let me find us someone to raid, but let me do my little spiel first. So my name is Anthony. I upload my previous content to YouTube, and that's youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. You can also check out a daily educational video that I upload on a variety of topics, usually Python, Git, DevOps, Docker, etc. You ask questions and I answer them on YouTube, which is great. Lasalt says, I've just been watching some of your Anthony Explains videos. They're excellent. Thank you. Well, I'm glad you enjoy them. But yeah, so check those out. Subscribe or whatever on YouTube. I normally stream Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, which means I will be streaming tomorrow. I announce my streams in 2 places. One of those is twitter.com/codewithanthony, where I basically say, this is what I'm going to work on, and then we usually work on it. Yeah. So follow me there. I also announce them on the Discord, which you all are free to join. Oh my goodness, my chat hasn't done my links today. I have to do them myself? What is this? What is this, chat? Anyway, no, I appreciate when you usually do that. But thank you all for stopping by, and let's go find someone to raid.